Then the salesman comes back to you, provides you the new numbers, and this goes on and on until you agree on a price. Now, if you're not paying cash, this is where the greatest trick comes into play, the monthly payment. For some reason, our simple little brains are only concerned about short-term pain, and we will do everything we can to avoid it.
I'm 35 now. When I bought my first new car, I believe I was 22, 23, and I'm not gonna lie, I was simply focused on the monthly payment. Nobody looks at the big number, where the big number is the most important number on the page. They only look at the small number. How much can I pay every month? Stop being small-minded. Stop.